Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video, I'm going over a new company. I came across a new travel company. It's not a travel booking site, or we don't book flights for people. It's actually, like I said, a travel club which offers discounts and other luxuries of traveling, and then in the same sentence, you could pretty much say you could earn money, a lot of money with this program as well too. I'm going to be going over that right now as well. Okay, now this program does launch on January 3rd of 2022. Okay, so we're still in pre-launch. We got roughly around 20 more days left. Okay, so here you could take a look at some of the presentation, and I'm going to be going over a couple of the perks with this opportunity. Okay, so they have the VIP airport lounge access. Okay, that way if you're waiting on a flight or if you're in a layover, you can just hang out in the VIP airport lounge and enjoy some of those amenities. Okay, and then we do have the best price promise as well too. So we do compete against those other bigger companies like Travelocity, Cheapo Air, Expedia, those companies, those sorts. And then you get the luxury travel marketplace. All right, some interesting stuff with that. And then you get daily discounts as well too. Not just not just flights, hotels, car rentals. Okay, you get the private mini jet. What that entails is it just in case you get hurt or God forbid something happens on your vacation, you have a jet that picks you up and takes you to the nearest hospital to get treatment, okay? And then you also have flight insurance as well. You have the VIP concierge, you get the cashback rewards, okay? And then different travel packages. I came in at the weekender pack, which is 179 one-time payment, and it's $79 per month. You get the booking engine, air, car, hotel, activities, cruises. You get best price promise. You get daily discounts. You get the travel flight insurance. Okay, the Explorer pack is $299 one time fee, and then $99 per month. With that package, you get the Weekender Plus. You get the vacation rental deals, travel bucket list experience, travel cashback program, the travel exclusive specials, and then the Jet Setter pack is $499 and then $129 a month. But with that, you get the Explorer Plus, the luxury travel marketplace. You get the travel VIP airport lounge access. You get the travel VIP concierge service, travel private mini jet services as well too. Okay. So the good news is about these packs, you could lock in your spot now for the month of December for only $49. And then you can choose your packs on January 3rd when the company launches. Okay. Now there are 6 ways to get paid. You get the fast start bonus, paid weekly. You get the generational bonus paid weekly. You get the referred group travel, and that's paid monthly. You get the matrix pay, and that's paid monthly. You get the lifestyle bonus. That's paid monthly, and then you get the quarterly bonus pool, which is paid monthly as well too. And then like lock in your spot for only $49. And then you also get our team bonuses. You'll get access to our team marketing system for free, which includes world-class marketing training and support. You get eye-popping capture pages, high-converting sales funnels, engaging email follow-up swipes, done for you copy for social media posts, and reliable traffic sources as well too. And also, if you decide to join me, you'll also get some of my free and paid traffic sources as well too. And I'll show you some of the results right now that I actually got from that. Okay, so this is my back office of uh, the Real vacation lifestyle. Okay. And here is the home. You get your business, you get your tools here. You also get your training and settings. So I'm going to go into my visual tree. Okay. And I got one person so far. Now this, I've sent out a email, a solo ads blast, and like only just a couple days ago, and I already have a paid member under me. And this was only within 3 or 4 days. Now, if I go to the matrix, and that's also starting to fill up as well too. So I also have 3 people under me plus the person I brought in. And like I said, it's a 3 by 9, so that it's forced matrix, so that's going to fill up quick. Now, if you decide to join our team, and if you're ready to get set up, go ahead and click on the link below. Thank you. And once again, have a good one.